Hey guys, it's Kenzie. I'm going to be doing a short video on how I dye my eyebrows. If you're wondering why I look so different, it is because I have no eyebrows. I mean I do, but they're just bleach blonde. Not on purpose. The Lord gave me bleach blonde eyebrows. I don't mind them, it's just really hard to fill them in when you can't see what you're doing. So, this is what I use. It is the Mustache and Beard Just for Men 5-minute gray eliminator. This is in M25 light brown. There we go. Five minutes later, I have eyebrows again. Yes. After you dye them, you can shape them. I need to go do that. But for now, at least when I wake up, if I'm in a hurry, I have some sort of shape to my face and not just blonde eyebrows. So it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Hope you guys find this helpful and thank you for watching.